Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the various types of health data. Health data is obtained from various sources for various applications in order to improve the health services offered to the individuals, public, and also for health and medical research. The major types of health data are electronic health data, administrative data, claims data, patient or disease registries, health survey data, clinical trials data, electronic health records. Okay. First, let us discuss about electronics health records. It is the purest type of electronic clinical data, so it contains all the details about the particular patient. Okay, so it mentions about the medical facility offered to them. Okay, and what are the health conditions, what are the treatments given, okay, who has given that, what are the other services provided, everything is contained in the medical record. Okay, the data collected includes administrative and demographic information, diagnosis. Demographic information is all the basic details about the patient, his name, age, gender, okay, his communication address, okay, so previous health issues, all those informations are obtained, and diagnosis done, what are the medical tests conducted in order to diagnose the health problems, and treatments offered, and prescription of drugs, laboratory test conducted, okay, physiologic monitoring data, so from the nursing department, hospitalization, if he is admitted in the bed, okay, in which ward he was admitted, what are all the facilities, how many days he has been admitted, and patient insurance records. So all these informations are available in the health record. It is the main information for any decision. Second is healthcare cost and utilization project. So this is a free online query system based on data from healthcare cost and utilization project. It provides access to health statistics and information on hospital inpatient and emergency department utilization. So these data are normally available. Okay, the company can purchase this data. For example, a nationwide inpatient sample data, kids inpatient database, state inpatient database specific to the particular state, and state ambulatory surgery database, state emergency department database. All these data are collected and maintained by the various agencies. So the hospital can purchase this data for their purpose. Third is claims data. This is about insurance claims. Okay, for various treatments and other medical related services provided, the patient they claim insurance, okay, based on the insurance schemes they have. Okay, the claims data fall into four general categories: inpatient, outpatient, pharmacy, and enrollment. The sources of claim data can be obtained from the government or commercial health firms. The government also, they have given this one, health insurance schemes are available. Otherwise there are many private health insurance companies are there. From them they can obtain this data. Then patient and disease registries. Disease registries are clinical information that track a narrow range of key data for certain chronic conditions such as cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and asthma. So registers often provide critical information for managing patient conditions. So to monitor the health conditions of the patients, this disease registries, their progress, so everything maintained and recorded. Then health survey. So in order to provide an accurate evaluation of the population health, national surveys of the most common chronic conditions are generally conducted to provide prevalence estimates. ICMR is Indian Council for Medical Research in India. They conduct many medical related surveys to understand the health condition of the population, healthcare facilities. So all the things, they have a lot of informations about the Indian healthcare through conducting survey. Clinical trials, registries and databases. This means for new drugs, their trials are conducted. Even at present for COVID-19 medicine, the trials are conducted. So that result of those trials, okay, and surgery trials, okay, not only the medicine, surgery trials also being done. So all these clinical trials, registries and databases are very important for the research and development purpose. Okay, the clinical research data. Clinical research data may be available through national or discipline specific organization. Level of access is likely restricted but available through proper channels. You can get it from, there are many medical research organizations are there, or through journals, those where the research data is published, you can access through those publications, or you can obtain the information from those research organizations. Okay, so these are all the types of data, health data, that are available for organization for various decision making. Thank you.